Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel today. So today's another episode of 1 Week 1 Palette, and we're still using the Stila glitters. Today I'm just going to use my favorite color of these new Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows, and that is in the shade Cloud. It's this beautiful purple color, and it has the iridescence to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Maggie, it's okay. I just fed you. Both the cat and the dog are in my room today, and sometimes they don't get along. Paco? Paco? Saba. Okay, so let's get into the makeup. So I'm again gonna use the Tarte's Pro palette. It's so funny, it almost feels like I'm using this and then the glitters are like an extra fun thing, but I wanna do like a separate 1 Week 1 palette on this. But what I'm realizing is it actually takes a lot of work to film like every day, even if it's just a short tutorial. So maybe this is something I will do like once a month or something, and then just kind of like it'll be a special thing. So I just took the shade Classic, which is in the top left corner, and put that all over my lid to set my concealer. Okay, and I'm just gonna do something super soft because I really want that shadow to kind of shine through. So I think I'm gonna use a combination of this one shade here is Chic, Indie, and Bold as crease colors. And then I'll just use those on the bottom lash line as well. Yeah, something soft. So this is the kind of makeup look I used actually the weekend we were moving, because I had to pack up everything, including almost all of my makeup. I just had my one little pink travel bag, and that I had just gotten the glitters like right before that, and I was like, ooh, this one's pretty, so I left it out. And I really wasn't gonna wear any makeup, but I did, and it ended up making me feel better about the craziness of it. And yeah, so I really love this shade. So I wore it with shadow in the crease, kind of similar to this. And I also wore it just plain and then blended out the edges. So you can definitely do both. Okay, so I'm just like that. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used yesterday, the exact blender, the E32 from Sigma, and I'm gonna put, so I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna put Chic and Bold and I was thinking I was gonna do all three, but I think I might just do Chic underneath the lash line. Yeah, just something nice and soft like that. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with Cloud, my favorite. Okay. So when you blend it out a little bit, it definitely takes on less of the purple pigment, but it's kind of nice. It just like evenly kind of blends up to the crease colors.
Now we just let them dry.
So now that they're dry, they look something like that. Just something subtle. Not subtle, it's purple shimmer, but you know, it's that, and then it subtly like blends up into the eyeshadow on the crease. And again, I'm just gonna go in with my Lash Paradise mascara, nothing new with that. Okay everyone, so this is the completed eye look today. So just again, I obviously love this product. If I'm gonna be wearing it a different color every day for a whole week, and it's been really cool to just kind of get into creatively playing with my makeup. Also, a subscriber recommended in another video, my review video of this product, the shade in, I believe it was Anote. They said it was a beautiful cranberry color, so I think I'm gonna pick that up. And okay, so I was trying to find that shadow that the person commented in one of my videos. I can't find it, but there is one called Pigalle. It's described as a shimmery cool cranberry, which I think is like what the person was talking about maybe. I looked in the shimmer and glow, or shimmer, glitter and glow as well, and I didn't see it, but I could have sworn I remembered a shade with that name, so maybe it was just limited edition. But I want to thank you guys so much for commenting and liking my videos, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!